Hello, welcome back. This is Lynn with Queen Bee, and I would like to talk about our cellular repair capsules. These are incredibly handy little break and use capsules, and they come in a vial with 20. And most people can use them up around 4 times a year. Basically, the capsules themselves you break off, apply maybe to the back of your hand, and then to your face and chest or any problem skin areas. The ingredient set includes a peptide that it works almost like an agent to seek out damaged cells and expel them from your skin. So almost everyone gets an immediate benefit of cleaner, clearer looking skin. And people that have pigmentation issues, you'll notice the brown spots become lessened and begin to break up. I use them. I have very red skin and am prone to little skin cancers. So I use those as a way to get my cells to just kind of renew themselves a little more aggressively. And if you have sensitive skin like mine, you could do it a full course of these twice a year. If you have more sun damage and or ethnic skin that is oil rich, you could do them up to 6 times a year. So these are in our repair line of products and are incredibly effective. I like to use them when I travel because then you don't have any liquids with you to claim, and you can just take one capsule for each day. You will not need to use a moisturizer in addition to these capsules. They are very nourishing, and there are enough lipids in there that you'll feel like your skin is happy and satiated without adding any additional oils and that kind of thing. Um, if you have any questions at all about how to use that product or any of our others, you're welcome to contact us at Queen Bee in Pagosa Springs. Thank you.